All right, so the fun part, CR500 build day. It's all here. We've gone a little bit further than we thought we were going to, but it's going to look sick. So back to a bit more of an OEM look, white frame, got that all powder coated, got everything back. So we're going to chuck some pegs in this, get it mounted to the stand, get our bolts out from the powder coater, and away we go. So stick around, we'll run through it, and yeah, it's going to be cool. Can't wait till this one finishes and get to fire up. Bit of tatang. Here we go. So as we're getting this spec bulk kit installed on this side of the motor, I'll explain what the stator and flywheel setup is. As a keen eye will see that it's not an OEM style flywheel. So this is actually a CR500 stator and flywheel set up for the headlight and electric start capability. So the stator on this thing was fried and fully disconnected, chopped wires, and it was a complete mess. So I had a bit of a research to do, and with OEM flywheels costing around the $1,200 mark, we decided staying with this setup was the best option. I was able to grab a complete 450X arrowhead stator for around 250 bucks, so that was awesome. The only catch was I had to figure out the wiring and getting it all back together. Luckily, it was pretty simple as it went pretty much same color to same color from the OEM CDI to the arrowhead stator. I just had to leave out the wires that were for the lighting. I did have to come back later and basically just adjust the positioning of the billet bracket that was in there. So it was off by a little bit and wasn't sparking too great. So got that adjusted by like a fraction basically. It was like half a turn, not even that, from, you know, it's got little marks on it. Well, but once I did that and put it all back together, got a solid spark, and that was a huge relief. just like that, the big CR500 is all finished up. Stoked on how this came out. Yeah, had never had the opportunity to work on a CR500, and yeah, it's been sick, and you can't beat the sound of a CR500. It's been awesome to work on. So one last thing left to do, and that's go get a photo shoot done with Matty Mac up at Gold Coast Studio. It's just something that I want to be able to do for the customer and give that back to them. So we'll go get that done, and we're done there, and straight on to the next one. So it's one in, one out on this one. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe always helps out. And yeah, we'll catch you in the next one.
And yes, I put a boot on to start it, because if you ever start a CR500 without a boot on, you're manlier than man, so go you.
I used to be able to kickstart a CR500 in a flip-flop.
Did you?
Yeah,
I don't believe it.
first kick.